So we're going to see if we can warm water using tea light candles. I say warm water, we're not going to get it boiling, it won't be enough to boil it, but we're going to see if we can warm it so it's hot enough to have a cup of tea, cup of coffee, hot chocolate, whatever your drink may be. And obviously whilst I'm using water, you can use it for tins of soup. Little things like that, you know, so you've got hot fluid inside of you just to warm you from the inside out. So just in front here we have a regular muffin tin. We've got 4 tea light candles. We've got a saucepan with lid. And to the side here, just bring it in front, we have 1 litre of water from the fridge. So I'll just quickly use my temperature probe and we'll see what the water temperature is to start with. 7.8 degrees. We'll take it as that, it's cold. So I'm just going to light the candles first of all. Now, whenever you're using a naked flame, always remember to have adequate ventilation and be aware of the fire risk. So, we've got the saucepan at the back. Pour 1 litre of water in the saucepan. Got a stopwatch. Just going to start that now. So, obviously it'll be a few seconds out. Got the saucepan. So, it's over all of the candles. I'll put the lid on. Just going to move it back from the front of the cooker. So we're just going to leave it to warm up and we'll see how long it takes to warm. Right, so we are 7.5 minutes in. I've had to switch the pan. So the larger pan was covering too much of the muffin tray slots and it was snuffing the flame out. It was starving out of oxygen. So I've switched it to the smaller pan, so we'll see if we can get it warmed up. We are 8 minutes 15 seconds in now. Like I said at the start, it's not going to be a quick process, but we'll see how we go. Right, so it's been on for 26 minutes 55 seconds, almost 27 minutes. And you can see the bubbles forming on the bottom of the pan. We'll just put the temperature probe in. Got it the wrong way around. So 39.5 degrees. So we started, it was around about 8 or 9 degrees out of the fridge. So it's gone up 30 degrees in 27 minutes. So we'll leave it for a little bit longer and we'll see what it gets up to. Right, so we've just passed the 50-minute mark. There we go, 50 minutes 35 seconds. And looking at the pan, there is lots of bubbles. And I'm not sure if you can see, there is steam coming off the pan as well. So we'll get the temperature probe. (61 degrees), it's still going up. Give it a bit of a stir. 61.5. So yeah, that is 61.5 degrees. We are now 51 minutes. We'll put the lid back on. And we'll check that shortly. We'll check that when it comes up to 1 hour. Okay, so we've just passed the 1 hour mark. We'll just take the lid off. And just reset the thermometer. We'll give it a bit of a stir first of all. 69 degrees there. Yep, that is hot to the touch. So I'm not sure if you can see just here. It says there is 1 litre of water. And we'll just pour some of this into my coffee cup. Yeah, that's a perfect drinking temperature. I could drink that right now. To be honest, Laura would probably end up leaving that to cool down for a little bit. In fact, yeah, that's actually a little bit too hot. I'd maybe just leave that for a minute or so as well. So yeah, it just goes to show, tea light candles, 4 of them, you can warm water or other liquids in an emergency situation. You can use it to make hot drinks, such as tea, coffee, hot chocolate, and even, as I said earlier, tins of soup. So you're getting warm food inside of you, you know. If you were using soup, I would say you're probably going to have to stir it just to make sure that none sticks or catches on the bottom. But I would say that's a success. We used 4 tea light candles. It did take a long time. It took 1 hour and it warmed the water to 69 degrees, but it is hot enough for a hot drink. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.